Generally speaking, dishonor refers to the refusal or failure to pay or accept an instrument. Under Article 3, various rights and duties are triggered upon dishonor. Thus, it's crucial to understand when an instrument is deemed dishonored. The timing of a note's dishonor depends on whether the note is payable on demand. Imagine a law student purchased a year's supply of pizza and executed a promissory note stating, quote, "Law student promises to pay to the order of pizzeria $2,000, unquote. 2 weeks later, the pizzeria presented the note to the law student and demanded payment. The law student shrugged her shoulders and walked away. Was the note dishonored? Yes. Because the note didn't specify a payment date, it was payable on demand. If a note is payable on demand, then it's dishonored if not paid on the day of presentment. Consider if instead the note stated, quote, "Law student promises to pay to the order of pizzeria $2,000 on August 1st, unquote. Here, the note stated that it was payable at a definite time, August 1st. Because the note was payable at a definite time, dishonor automatically occurs if the note hasn't been paid on that date. No presentment is required. Of course, if the note's terms require presentment, or the note is payable at or through a bank, then the note won't be dishonored until it's presented and not paid on the latter of the presentment date or the date the note becomes payable. The rules governing dishonor of a draft vary based on whether the draft has been accepted. Let's start with unaccepted drafts. Imagine that a law student ran a side hustle knitting sweaters for kittens. An animal shelter bought several sweaters and wrote the law student a check for $200. If the law student presented the check for immediate payment over the counter and the bank refused to pay, was the check dishonored? Yes. A draft that hasn't been accepted and is payable on demand, including a check presented for immediate payment over the counter, is dishonored if not paid on the day of presentment.